Hey, fifth grade. We're going to take a look at Mini Metric Olympics 2. As you can see here, we use percentile ranges. So you take your error, your actual, you times it by 100, and that is what your percentage is. Percent error equals your score. Now, if that's too difficult and you just want to find the difference again, you can just forget this percent error and record your score. And as you see here, there are a lot of things. Now, we don't have to do all of these, okay? Definitely do not. You can just try do the best that you can. This one's kind of fun. It says try to find objects out of these lengths. So find an object right away and say, all right, 40 centimeters, I think the book I'm reading is 40 centimeters. You measure how long it actually is, and then you write the difference, okay? And you go all the way down with those. And then you get the total differences. This one's pretty fun. You should probably try to do most of them. Again, up here, there's a lot, and you don't have to do all of them, okay? So handspan, you just go spread your hand out as far as you can, go pinky to thumb, measure it. Arm span, put your arms out, probably need parent or sibling help, measure how long your arms are tip to tip. Steady stride, take one decent step, see how far apart your feet are. Wallet, pencil, personal item, body weight, probably can just ignore these. If you want to try them, great. If not, not a big deal. Volume, this is seeing how much water these things hold or how much water it displaces. Again, you don't have to do it. If you want to try figure it out, absolutely go for it, but not a big deal if you don't, totally fine. The last one, area, we can do this. Sheet of paper. It says classroom ceiling. Just pick the ceiling like in your bedroom or your living room, wherever you're working. Pretty much you just need to know the length and the width. Football field, you can look that up online. Desktop, obviously you're probably working on something at home. If you're not working on a desk, go do your kitchen table, something like that, okay? These top ones, like I said, just do the best you can. The ones I really want to see us do, 100% of them, are these ones because we can do all of this and it's kind of fun to try to see what you guys come up with. So make sure you're writing the name of the objects neatly so I can see them. You'll share it with me on Seesaw so I can see it. Make sure that you are finding the actual measurement and the difference between them too, and you add up the total differences. Okay? Again, just saying it one more time, this top part, do the best you can. It's okay if you don't do all of it. It's okay if you only do a few. All right? The bottom, the metric scavenger hunt, that's one that I'm more curious in seeing us doing. Best of luck.